guys, I am here in Las Vegas at the MGM Grand. We are at the GoPro conference. Many of you who are watching this video have been to GoPro before. We come every year. It's training for our business, for skill, for mindset, things like that. But anyway, it's a long event. I mean, it's 3 full days. It's 22 hours worth of content. And so there are a few things that I always make sure I bring with me when we come to this event that help me get me through 3 days of like power-packed sessions. So, okay, first one. We're gonna see if any of you guys have this in your purse, ladies. Nitro. Do you guys travel with Nitro? So this is my one. Give me a thumbs up if you travel with Nitro. Erin, hi. Okay, so if you don't use this already, this is your next purchase from Young Living, okay? Nitro is something that we order every month because it is hugely important for people who have busy lives. I have a busy life. And so for me, it's physical energy, it's mental energy. I take one before I work out. I take one if I'm having to speak late at night, but we're here at an event and it's late nights. So every day I'm gonna have a Nitro in with me. I was wanting to take it about an hour ago, but I knew I was doing this video, so I'm gonna be taking it right after this. All right, so Nitro, and it's natural energy. So green tea extract, vitamin B, and it tastes really good too because it has Ningxia in it. All right, so that's the first thing. Second thing, guys, there's about 10,000 people here, and I'm shaking a lot of hands. So, Thieves, okay? This is the Thieves hand purifier, and so I'm using that constantly, keeping my hands clean. What I love about the Thieves hand purifier is that it's not sticky, and it doesn't have triclosan in it. If you're familiar with triclosan, it's a cancer-causing ingredient that a lot of the hand purifiers have. Young Living's doesn't have that in it. Okay, third item, you ready? Transformation oil. So this is a blend from Young Living. I think it smells kind of like, almost like chocolatey, pepperminty, okay? If you have tried Transformation, you probably know what I'm talking about. It has, I don't know what the chocolate smell is in it, but it's definitely pepperminty. So why do I use this? Okay, 2 reasons that I bring Transformation. It's one of my favorite smells out of all of the Young Living blends, but because it has the peppermint in it, it's good for tension and sore muscles from like sitting too long. And so I'm experiencing a little bit of that tonight, so I'll just rub a little bit on my shoulders to help release that. But then also, it's really good when you're learning new material to connect to a smell, okay? So for me, I like the name Transformation. It puts a good image in my mind, right? I'm coming to learn new things and to transform in my skill set and my mindset. And so by breathing that in while I'm taking notes and doing the learning, it's huge for recall, for memory later on. So, Transformation is my oil, Ningxia Nitro for energy, and then to keep my hands clean, I'm using the hand purifier. What's in your purse right now? All right, if you're using Young Living products, I want to know, what are the things that you carry with you all of the time because you just have to have them with you? Let me know below. All right, guys, have a good night.